This is video 4 and task 4 of your grammar packet. Okay, and your tracking squares, you've already crossed off videos and tasks for 1, 2, and 3, and now we're on to 4. Common and proper nouns. The last video you learned about nouns, that they're either a person, place, or thing. Now we're going to talk about common nouns. Okay. A common noun names a regular person, place, or thing. That's really big. Regular. R-E-G-U-L-A-R. I'll fix my pen in a second. Okay, so it names just a regular person, place, or thing. It's not the specific name. It's like the big group of nouns. You would not capitalize a proper noun. Let's make this a skinnier pen. Okay, so example of a common noun would be girl, boy, store. Okay, they don't need to be capitalized because it's just like there's many stores, there's many girls, there's many boys. I'm not naming a specific girl or a specific store. Another example of a common noun would be cereal. Okay, and another example would be shoes. And another example would be city. Okay, so those are my examples of common nouns. It's just a regular person, place, or thing, and it's not the specific name. It's like the big broad term to describe a group of nouns, if that makes sense. I think it will once we explain what a proper noun is. A proper noun is the name of a specific. Okay, I need to write that smaller. Okay, a specific person, place, or thing. So now I'm going to write a proper noun that goes along with the common nouns above. So on the first line I wrote girl. So on this line here I'm going to name a specific girl. So I'm going to write my sister's name, Tanya. Okay. On the line next to it I wrote boy, and boy is just the generic term, but now I'm going to name a specific boy, and that is my brother David. On the next line I wrote shoes, but now I'm going to name a specific brand of shoes. So I'm going to write down my Nikes. A store, here up above it just says store. Now I'm going to name a specific store, and I am going to write Target. Then on the next line I have cereal. It's just the generic word, but now I'm going to name a specific cereal, and I'm going to name, what should I do? Cheerios. Notice how all of these proper nouns are capitalized because they're naming specific nouns. And then a city, let's go with Fox Lake. Notice how it's capitalized. It's naming a specific city. Okay, so now I can make this smaller for you. So basically, common nouns do not begin with a capital letter, whereas proper nouns do begin with a capital letter. They always begin with a capital letter. Okay, moving on to task 4. On the top, I want you to write a proper noun for each of the common nouns. The first one's been done for you. So here on this line, it says girl for the common noun. So now name a girl. Write the proper noun right here for a specific girl. I'm going to write Katie. Okay, you write whatever name you want. Do the same thing for city, state, and restaurant. On the bottom, it's the opposite. They already gave us the proper noun, and you need to write the common noun. So the first one I did for you, Walmart, and the common noun that goes with it is it's a store. Okay, so do the same thing for the bottom part of this page. After you've completed this page, you can go on to your tracking squares and you can cross off video 4 and task 4. And now we are over halfway done.